Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, if we want to find information on the first book of Maccabees, we can find such a website as Intertextual Bible, Point Bible. This is instead of com or net or org, we write Bible. So they collected here most connections that we have in some Bibles when we have two columns, and underneath of columns we have connections and interconnections. It asked passages from the Old or New Testament to the current chapter or book. So it asked, we have here connections collected by this website or the users of this website, I don't know. So for example, let's take book 4 of Maccabees, chapter 13, verse 16. Ephesians chapter 6, from verse 11 to verse 13, we have interconnections with for book 4 of Maccabees, chapter 13, verse 14, from 14 to 16. So such interconnections we have. So very useful website. Glorify the God. They did a great job that you can use to when you print your own Bible or you want to write underneath your book 4 of Maccabees interconnections passages that connect this book with the books of original Bible of Old or New Testament. So glorify the God forever.